Welcome to this quick tip brought to you by Vector Twist. I'm Mona and I would like to show you how you can create some hatched lines in Adobe Illustrator really quickly. So let me show you what I mean. Here in Adobe Illustrator, I have an illustration of a retro coffee can. It's not bad looking and the shapes are really nice and clean, but I would like to add some dimension, some shadow to the illustration. And I thought, what about creating some hatched lines here on the side? So let me show you how we can create some really quickly. First, we use the pen tool and we're going to create a line. So let's say a line from here to there. We want to make sure that the stroke is set to about 4 points. And then here in the stroke panel, on the bottom here you see profile. Right now it's set to uniform. And I would like to change that. So let's change it to this one here. And if I deselect, you can see we have now a hatched line. But it's going the wrong direction. Well, not a problem. All we have to do is rotate it, and then we're going to select it, and we're going to create a copy and place it onto the bottom. You might think, why not create a copy not far apart from it and then duplicate it? That's a way to do it, but I would like to show you how we can create it really quickly with the pen tool. So I'm going to select both of the strokes. I'm going to go to Object, Blend, Make, and then we have a blended shape. Of course, they're very too tight together, these strokes, but we can easily and quickly change this. When we go over to the toolbar, here we have the Blend tool. All we have to do is double-click it, and in the pop-up, the Blend options will change it from smooth to specified steps. Now if we turn on the preview and then change the value, and you can do this by highlighting the field and using the arrow keys up and down on your keyboard, I'm going to decrease the value, and you can see I'm creating more space in between. Once I like the result, I click OK. Now, of course, I would like to do the same on the other side here. So again, I'm going to create a stroke with a black color. I'm going to change the profile. Maybe this time I want to have the triangular one. I'll check where it is. I might have to increase the stroke size. Of course, I have to rotate it again. Not a big deal. Easy to do. And then I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to use the same step we've just done. I'm going to use the Blend tool, double-click on it, change it from smooth color to specified steps, make sure I see my preview, and then change the values in between. And here we go. This is really a fast way how you can create some hatched lines. Of course, we can do the same thing for highlights. So if I repeat the step one more time, I create a small stroke. I'll change the color from black to white. Then I'm going to increase it maybe to 3 points. And again, change the profile. I'm going to use this one here, make a duplicate, select both of them, use the Blend tool, of course, change my settings again, decrease them so I have more space in between, and once I'm happy with the result, I'll just click OK. Now as you can see here, this is a way how you can quickly add hatch lines to your illustration. It just makes it pop a little bit more and gives it a little bit more of an interesting look. And this is it for this quick tip here on Vector Twist. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check out the website vectortwist.com as well. I hope to see you soon because I already have another quick tip for you and I would like to show you how we can add some distressed look to our illustration. See you then.